Welcome to our guide on using logs in the bottom of raised beds, an ingenious way to save on soil and enhance natural decomposition in your garden. Today, we're exploring this simple yet effective technique that utilizes scrap wood from fallen trees. After clear-cutting and splitting wood, you may find yourself with logs that are unsuitable for the fireplace. Instead of letting them go to waste, consider adding them to your raised beds. By placing logs in the bottom of your raised beds, you not only save on soil, but also provide a boost to the soil's fertility and structure. This is especially beneficial for gardeners working with depleted or poor quality soil. To maximize the decomposition process, it's important to place the logs face up in the raised bed. This allows for better airflow and encourages beneficial microorganisms to break down the wood over time. Once the logs are in place, simply fill the raised bed with soil as you normally would. You'll notice that you need less soil overall, saving you time, money, and effort in the long run. As your garden grows, you'll reap the benefits of using logs in your raised beds. Not only will your plants enjoy improved soil fertility, but you'll also be contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practice. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to utilize scrap wood in your garden while saving on soil and enhancing natural decomposition. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!